So next concept is file system structure. Okay, so every file system which we normally use while installing any operating system, okay, will be having this general structure of file system. Okay, so we have a variety of file systems like FAT, file allocation table, uh, FAT32, okay, NTFS. So these are some of the file system, Unix UFS, Unix file system. These are certain examples of the file systems. So most of these file systems has general structure like this. Okay, so it contains devices. Okay, it contains device drivers, we call them as input output controllers, basic file systems, file organization modules it will be having, logical file system, and finally it is application programs. Okay, now devices means all the devices which you normally use in your computers, like it can be a printer, it can be a scanner, or it can be in your hard disk. So all these considered as a devices. Okay, and every devices will be having a device driver programs, correct? So for that we have an input output controller here, okay, which will control all the devices of our system. Okay, so device driver controllers are once again what these are the files which are stored in our computer system. Okay, next, basic file system, what does this will do ಅಂತಂದರೆ, it will be containing certain basic commands. Okay, so using those commands we try to access these device driver files. Okay, so normally we have commands in Unix, like to view the file we have ls command, correct, which will list all the files and directories of your computer. Like that, there are certain basic commands which we will going to use to access the device driver programs also anta artha. So next thing is file organization module. Now what does file organization module will do ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ, so we know how every file and directories which we use are all stored in our secondary storage, that is on a hard disk, correct? And we know hard disk, our hard disk contains tracks and sectors, alva. So in which track or in which sector our files are stored, so that information is present in file organization module. Okay, so the next will be a logical file system. Now the logical file system will use the information, additional information about the file which you are stored in your secondary storage device. We call it as metadata anta ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Now additional information about a file ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು, it can be the file location, it can be size of the file ಇರ್ಬೋದು, or it can be type of the file which you have stored. Okay, and how much amount of sectors it has occupied in your secondary storage device. Such additional informations are stored in logical file system. And the last thing which you can see in every file structure is the user defined programs are the files, so we call them as application programs. So this is how normally every file system structure will be having. So certain file systems may not have all these things, but this is what a general file structure it will be having.